Yeah, hello, welcome back. Today in this session, we are going to do the perform the CRUD operations on MongoDB with a MongoDB shell, like a command prompt. Okay, yesterday we have created documents, we have created database, and we have done CRUD operations with the help of graphical user interface on MongoDB's Compass, right? So today we are going to do the CRUD operations through command prompt or MongoDB shell. Okay, so and the next we are going to do the same kind of things with the help of Express.js server. Okay, before that, let me take some confirmation from students. Hey team, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So just open MongoDB Compass. So hopefully you are able to see some details. So I'm just deleting everything. So I will create one more time drop table. Okay, right now we don't have any database which we have created yesterday. So now I'm just creating a new database. So create a database. I'm just giving a database name, like again like a cricket, and now the collection name as a players. Okay, of course we are playing World Cup right now. We are in a good position against Afghanistan. So we have a players collection. So this is the database, and this is the collection. Okay, the collection name is players. So let's do the CRUD operations with the help of MongoDB shell. So even if suppose if MongoDB shell is not installed properly, don't worry. You can go to this um, compass and you can start executing the commands here. Okay, so if you have installed uh, happy, just follow our instructions. So here if you want to connect to Mongo, so Mongo shell, so just enter Mongo sh so that it will connect to our MongoDB. So this is the connection string. This is the versions of the MongoDB and of course Mongo shell. So this is fine. So I'm just doing a CLS so that it will clear all the messages which we have. So now, so we are going to do perform the CRUD operation on this collection. The collection name is players. Okay, so that first we should map to a cricket database, and then we can go with players collection. So if you want to switch to cricket, so use, so before that you can say that okay, what are the DBs available here. So we got admin config and cricket and local. This is this itself is representing a database, but the database not available. But by default, it will show as a test. Don't worry about that. So now we need to switch to our database, that is a cricket. So use CRICKET. Okay, so cricket. So that now it is showing that switched to a DB cricket. So now we are pointing towards our database that is called cricket. So now, so we need to create a new document in the players the collection. So if you see, this is the players collection right now. It is completely empty. So we are going to create our first document through command prompt directly. So here simple. These are very simple commands. Okay, DB dot and you can mention the collection name. What is the collection name here? The players or player. Okay, observe carefully. It's a plural, players. That's fine. Players dot. If you want to insert a new document, okay, insert one. Okay, insert one is a method. So in that, O should be a capital, and now you can insert the document in the form of JSON object. So as we discussed in the last few sessions, we are just creating a players with a player name and the age and highest score, some other statistics. Okay, again I'm just giving a name. So of course if this is the JSON object, we should mention keys should be there in a double quotation. So here this is name, and the openers are today Rohit Sharma. Who are watching this video, please do practice along with me so that you will learn quickly. So the first key is like a name, Rohit Sharma, and I'm just giving an age. So if it is a number, go with okay. I'm always forgetting this one. The keys always should be in double quotation in JSON format, and the value, if it is a number, you don't need to put in double quotation or single quotation. It's a pure number, and I'm just giving the highest score. Again, I forgot. Okay, don't waste the time. Just do along with me. Highest score, hopefully 264 is the correct one. And even what we can add, matches. Okay, how many matches he has played? Matches. And I'm just giving, sorry, matches again. Definitely he has played. Today is the 253rd game. Hopefully. So observe carefully. Once we execute this command, it is going to create a first document under this collection. Okay, the collection is refers to the table in the relational database. The document refers to a record or a new item in that table. So let's see whether it is going to execute, or if I have done some mistakes, definitely it will throw some error. Yeah, it is successful, so it is given acknowledged true. And if you see, even I didn't created any primary key or id for that document, but in MongoDB it will create a unique id for each and every document which we are going to create. The id is this. Okay, id is this. Okay, it is always unique. Okay, you can't get a duplicate at any point of time. So on, it will give a acknowledgement that true means okay, it has created. Let's see whether it is really created or it is showing lies. Okay, let's refresh this one. Is that refresh button? The players
Sir,
here.
database is confused.
Where is the refresh button?
Database is top, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I just did a re. No, it's not showing. What happened? I think I did something wrong. It should show. Yeah. Is there? But why it was not refreshed? Okay. We have created successfully. Okay. So understood everyone? Or do you have any question up to this point? Yes or no?
Understood. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now, so if you want to create one by one, it will take too much time, right? It's better to add multiple documents at the same time. So for that, I will just I will prepare some documents in the VS Code for easiness. Then I will insert multiple documents at a time. Just creating a new file. Okay, otherwise just a minute. I'll create a folder somewhere and I will open it. Okay, this is just for make it easy. Other than that, you can add multiple. That you guys know, don't waste the time. Just create your first record quickly. This is just for help. And it's just dummy data. I'm going to prepare data.json. So that instead of writing a command prompt, it's better to write JSON file, right? No, VS Code. It's easy for us. So I want to insert multiple items. I want to insert multiple items right now. Okay, just help me quickly with player names. Okay. So what are the fields we have given? The equation, the name. Okay. Previously we have created Rohit Sharma. So here Ishan, Kishan. And what are the fields we have given? Age 22, and then matches 25, if I'm not wrong. The highest score he got double hundred, right? Of course, all our I'm not sure about the exact score. Okay, this is the highest score. So this is the first record. Okay, so I'm just taking a copy for this and here. Just help me. Details of Virat Kohli. What's the age of Virat Kohli? 34 matches, 252. Highest score 183 if I'm not wrong. Okay, this is two records and copy. Okay, I'm not going to create 100 records, just two, three records for playing with them. So IR, so he is not lost 30 matches, maybe 52, highest score, maybe 24 or something. So I will add one more record. This is the last one. As here Rahul is playing really well in this World Cup. Hopefully, it's better things for us. So high score, I'm not sure. I will give 142. I hope he didn't get any 150 or something. I got it. So we have. So at a time we need to create multiple items in the document. So here simply, so this is an array. So I'm just copying that entire array. So if you want to insert multiple items, so again just select DB because already it is pointing to DB dot and players dot insert. Here, if you want to insert more than one document, we have a method that is called a many. Okay, insert many. So many, and you can paste that object. Oh my god, I think I did something wrong. Control C. Just a minute. DB dot players dot insert many. What's wrong? Syntax error. I did any syntax errors? What the hell is this? Can anyone tell me what's my mistake? Okay, let me do one thing. If I do one by one, it will give exact message. Because we need to insert multiple records with inside. Yeah. Time. Sorry. It's my fault. Players dot insert many, even they can help. Okay, this is now object. Let me add one by one. Object. What's wrong? missing semicolon. Can anyone help me? What's my mistake? Because if I want to add everything, it will take too much time. Anyone, find out my mistake quickly. So looks like same. Oh my God, oh my God. What's the syntax error? What's the syntax error? Okay, at least I will add two more records. Sorry for wasting your time. db dot players dot insert many. So in that we need to provide the details in the form of array. So here I'm just adding two objects. Okay, will at least will allow to copy is these details. If it doesn't allow, I can't do anything. Yeah, Ishan, so don't waste time. Please uh, execute the commands on your mission. Get ready. It's 22. Yeah, it's fine. It's not throwing any error now. It's just 20 fine. It's fine. It's just not true. So anyway, we should execute this command at least with two documents. You can try with the multiple documents. I'm not sure what was my mistake previously. So again, I'm just adding name Virat Kohli, age 34. Yes, while we are copying, maybe something went wrong. Just 252. Now we need, as a software developer, we need a patient. As a student, we need a patience. That's why they are giving good amount of salary for developers because we need to be very patient. Yeah, are you ready for next command that db.players.insert. Right now, I'm just trying with two records at a time. Yes or no? Yes, sir. If you say
Yes,
yes, I will proceed.
yes, sir.
Everyone, don't. No one has energy. Okay. So if you see, it is acknowledged, and we have inserted two records successfully. The first record it has a ID, and second record has another unique ID. So let's cross check whether we got the details. Just refresh here. Okay, just click on this find so that it will refresh the data. So we got three records. Okay. Now, how many of you are doing practice along with me? Anyone? At least created one record. One done. Fantastic. So now we are going to which one? Tell me. We have done create. Let's whether we need to go for update or delete or some filter like get method kind of thing. What is your preference?
Update, sir.
Update. Let's see. Okay, what are the details we can update? So let's see. Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli is there. Just check in the Google what is the age of Virat Kohli quickly, or Ishan Kishan, or maybe how many matches Virat Kohli played that we can update with our proper information.
34, sir. Virat Kohli age.
Virat Kohli 34. Okay. How many matches he played? Maybe you can get some information on Ishan Kishan because hopefully I've did all values are wrong. Just a minute. I will find out. Ishan Kishan. Okay, statistics. Okay, one days he played 27 matches. Okay, he played 27 matches. And what is his highest score? 210, right? So I updated with the wrong details. We should update properly. His highest score is the score 210 or 212? 210. Okay, let's go and update his highest score through command prompt. Right now, we need to do with the command prompt. So I'm just doing clear because we have inserted. So first of all, just check what are the details of Ishan Kishan. So I'm just checking db dot players dot find. Okay, you can filter like select star from the table and where player name is Ishan Kishan. In the same way, we can do like players db dot players dot find. Here you can add a flag. Here you can add a flag. So here a name colon and you should give a proper name. So what I think I should take proper spelling. So Ishan Kishan. So let's see what are the details we have in our database. So if you see the ID is this, and name is Ishan Kishan, age is 22, and match is 25, and the highest score 202. So we need to update highest score from 202 to 210. So it's very simple. So db dot players dot okay. I forgot. Oh my god. As if I don't do practice for okay. No, update one. Yeah, sorry. Update one practice. Okay, update one. So here we are updating only one record. That's why we should use update one. Okay, in this parenthesis, first we should add a flag because we need to find out the record, right? So in SQL databases, we used to write where a name is equal to Ishan Kishan. Okay, then only we can update it, right? Can anyone tell me what is a query to update the record in a RDBMS? Anyone? Did you remember? Anyone? Update table name like that. Who are watching this video, at least note down what's the command. No one remember. Update table name. Tell me. Set column name is equal to updated column name. Where name column equal to Ishan Kishan. Yes or no? So we'll show
Yes,
you.
sir.
Command update operations documents. Where he has given no SQL. It's okay. SQL database also. Here, of course, at least I can take some help for this syntax. So if you see update one, here we should add the condition. And in the same way, in a SQL databases, we use a set command, right? But here, syntax is a little bit different, but it's not a big deal. So This is a second argument. As a second argument, we need to pass the updated details. Okay, here first we can go with a name as a Ishan Kishan, name colon Ishan. So I should be capital Ishan Kishan, and here we need to provide what you are going to set. Okay, that is the second argument. Observe carefully. This first object is a condition, like a where condition. Here what you want to update. Okay, here if you want to update something, so we need to use a dollar and set method and the colon, and here again object. So if you don't do practice, easily we will forget. Okay, because even I have done a practice in the morning. I'm struggling. Okay, so the set, what do you want to set? Highest score is equal to 202. So simple, highest score colon, that is from 202 to 10. Okay, so here, so sometimes in a query we no need to give a double quotation, so it will automatically check that. Even here also, we don't need to give a double quotation. Sometimes it will. So let's cross check. Hopefully no need. Okay. So let's see whether uh, this is correct or not. Mm. Yeah, done or not? Okay, if you got acknowledged true means it is completed. Okay, it is completed. Let's see. Let's refresh the data and find out. Updated or not? Just tell me yes or no. Updated properly or not?
Yes, sir. Updated.
The previously the high score was I have given I think 202, right? Right now it is
Yes,
updated
sir.
to
Correct.
210. Okay, fantastic. Okay. Now suppose if you want to update multiple items. Okay, suppose for example what we can update, suppose if these players completed today's match, the total matches will be increased to one more match, right? Or something like age we can update multiple times. Okay, bonus, suppose uh, if you have a bonus field or the salary field, if you want to give a bonus and for a few players we can update it. Okay, right now in general what I'm doing, who has less age than 35. Okay, if age is less than 35, just for a random thing we can increase the matches from 253 to like 300. Okay, just for a practice purpose. Okay, what I'm doing, if the age is less than 35 and I'm just adding 300 matches, or you can add something random thing. Okay, because I didn't prepare data properly. So while you are practicing, just add more and more fields for that, so that you can do it much more better way. So here, if you want to update, so here previously we have done only update one record, so that we have used update one. So whenever you want to do it, update multiple items, yes, we can do in the same way. db dot players dot update many. Okay, if you want to update many records, yes, you can go with the many records in the same way, but here we should have a flag, right, on which basis you are updating the records or documents. So here what I'm doing, uh, the first age should be, okay, age should be less than 35. So how we can check in a relational databases, we can simply write age less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. But how we can do in a MongoDB? Okay, that is really interesting. Let's take help from the documentation. Okay, so if you see, so he has taken some example like security deposit, and if you want to add any less than or equal to or something on a value, again we are just putting a curly brace, and here dollar less than that value. Okay, are you able to see my screen clearly? Suppose he is just adding he's updating some details based on this condition. That is, security deposit is less than 100 rupees. Is just adding like a minimum nights as one or something. He's just updating some details. So here, what we are doing, if a player played a less than 35 matches, I'm just adding highest score or some foolish thing. Okay, yes, definitely foolish thing what I'm doing now. So security deposit. Okay, in the same way, what we need to do here. So here, age, again you need to give a curly brace because this is not direct value. So we are just doing a calculated value. That's why again dollar less than, okay, LT or LG. Yeah, LT only, less than what, 35. Okay, suppose how many players are there with a less than 35 age in our database? Virat Kohli is there and Ishan Kishan is there. So I'm just updating matches. Which one we can update it? Matches. It's better to add matches. Okay, matches 252 to 253 or something. Or randomly other 15 details or something. I'm just understanding purpose only. Don't worry if I update the wrong details. So this is the filter condition. Okay, this is done. Now what you want to update? What do you want to update? Okay, I want to set which field? Matches. Okay, I'm just giving 300 matches. Okay, just so who has less than 35, I'm directly updating some wrong details that those matches number, how many matches they have played is 300. Okay, let me execute. Understood everyone? Query?
Yes, sir.
Only one person understood? Remaining people understood or not? Query. Okay, don't worry. Acknowledge to, unmatched count to, modified count to. This is a beautiful thing. So if you see, just go back and refresh your data. Updated or not?
Updated, sir.
Yeah. You see, it's successful. So matches 300, matches 300. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. And now let's do some delete operation. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So let's do some delete. Okay, we have done uh, insert one and insert many. At the same time, update one, update many. You see, based on the condition. Of course, we can do less than or equal to, less than, greater than or equal to some condition, and we can set. You can add, you can update multiple details actually, not only one field. You can update multiple fields like matches 300 and highest score. If you want to give a 300 highest score for each and every cricketer who have less than 35 age or some random funny things. Okay, so we have done a few things. So now let's delete something. So right now, maybe once Shubman Gill came uh, from the fever, so if once he is fit, hopefully Ishant Kishan will be out from the playing 11, right? So for our next match, we are going to play against Pakistan, so that it's better to pick Shubman Gill, so that I want to drop Ishan Kishan. Sorry, Ishan Kishan, won't be angry on me. Okay, hopefully, even Rahul Dravid and Rohit Sharma is also will take the same decision. If I'm not wrong. So, team, are you ready to drop Ishan Kishan, or you want to drop any other player? Okay, let's cross check. What's the score now? Actually, the score, live score. Next, oh, no wicket and 144. Because if Ishan Kishan got 100, it's difficult to drop him. Rohit Sharma 99. Oh my God, super. Okay, just if you want to enjoy that 100, go and enjoy. Okay, I'm giving a 2 minutes break for everyone. Okay, just enjoy the match. Rohit Sharma's 100 and come back. You ready to take a break or not?
Yes, sir.
Enjoy them. Enjoy just his 100. That's it. That's a break. Okay, already completed his 100. Awesome. Congratulations, Rohit Sharma. Centuries in World Cups, beating Sachin Tendulkar's six. He's got seven now, and he just played three World Cups. Rohit Sharma. What a innings! Okay, it's fantastic. Hopefully, we will win easily. Okay, yeah. Are you there? Came back, or do you need some more time?
Yes, sir.
Everyone back. Om Prakash, Pavan, Shiva, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do remaining CRUD operations. That so yeah, because it's we don't have any chance to drop Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli. It's impossible things. So unless okay, let's drop Ishan Kishan for sake of Shubman Gill. So how to delete that? Can anyone guess what will be the command? Hopefully you can guess easily.
DB dot players dot
Yeah, tell me. Okay, players start.
delete one
Delete, delete
one.
one. Okay, and the condition, right? So name colon Ishan. So Rohit Sharma got 7 centuries in World Cup. So previously, Sachin Tendulkar done 6 centuries in World Cup matches. Rohit Sharma crossed that record. Fantastic. Ishan Kishan. I think Rohit Sharma is like a World Cup player. Done. I think hopefully the spelling is correct. Acknowledge true. Deleted count. Yes. Let's check whether we have deleted properly or not. Players dot find all. So if you don't add any flag there, it will return all the items are there in a database. Okay, or in a collection. So we have two records. We got it. Okay, understood so far, everyone. We have done create. We have done update. We have done delete. So same thing. Suppose here, if you want to delete many, you can go with a db.players.delete many, and you can add a proper flag. Suppose whose IS score is less than 50 or whose average is less than 35 or something. If you want to delete all those players for next match, you can delete it. Okay. So now so already we have done a find, right? So here we can add a find, and if you add some matching things, it will get the record. So we have done the CRUD operation, simple things because I didn't take too many complex things. Also, we have done a create. We have inserted documents, uh, query documents. Yes, I have taken a very simple query that is just a simple command, but we have many things. So if you see this cell db.movies.find or db.players.find is equal to select star from movies in a SQL command. Okay, so here lots of things are there. Suppose if you see if you want to add multiple conditions, suppose if you want to get the records, um, suppose two records whose name is Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, or whose highest score is greater than 100 or something. So you can add multiple things, like if it is there in the, if you want to match two or more details, so you can just put in. It's similar to SQL query select start from movies where rated, okay, rated in PG or PG-13. So, or you can see, suppose if whenever you are filtering something, mobiles in Amazon, you can filter the rating is equal to 4 or 5, something like that. Or if you want to get the details of Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, so that you can add db.players.find a name colon dot dollar in Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, so that you will get those records. So you can add a logical and operator, logical or operator, and lots of things. Okay, whatever I have explained, these are very simple CRUD operations. So, but your responsibility is to learn all the things. Okay, I already have suggested one YouTube tutorial, that is um, Net Ninja. So here he has explained in a
Wait, wait,
beautiful
wait.
way all the details, because we need to
Don't
complete.
skip. User authorization. If you
Okay, so even I suggested in the last session as well. So please complete these at 23 at least. Uh, so you will get more command on MongoDB. So this is it for the MongoDB. And what's the next plan for us? So because actually we need to build a project, right? But we have ended up in learning fundamentals of databases, because most of us or we didn't learn databases. That's why I took some time to learn together all these databases. So far we have done. We have installed Node.js, and we have installed. So, okay, we have done REST APIs with the help of Express.js, right? How many of you remember all these things? And then we understand what is uh, a database, of course, what is a data, and what is DBMS, what is RDBMS, and we understand what is SQL, and we have done some CRUD operations with the help of SQL. Of course, we have taken the MySQL. Okay, thanks MySQL for giving free of cost for us. It's open source one. So, and then we understand what is the difference between SQL and NoSQL, and of course we have installed MongoDB in the last session, and we have done some CRUD operations through MongoDB Compass with the help of graphical user interface. Today we have done with MongoDB Shell. Okay, so at least hopefully I at least I have given at least 1% knowledge for you, but this is not the end. Uh, so you can add these skills in your resume, that you can add MySQL, SQL, NoSQL, and MongoDB. But you should learn more. Okay? As a beginner, as a fresher. So if you are a college student, or if you just came out from the college, definitely whatever we have learned so far, this knowledge is also very useful for you. But if you have 2 years or 3 years of experience, this knowledge is not enough. Okay, you should explore many things on databases. Okay, and tomorrow again will be again back to our project, because we are going to build an e-commerce application with the Mon stack. Okay, so hopefully you're learning React simultaneously. So tomorrow let's do again the REST API. So what we are going to do, so far in the REST API, we have created just an object, right? Like a JavaScript object. We have done a CRUD operation against the JavaScript object. So now we are going to store the data in a MongoDB. So here we are building the Express.js server, and we have installed MongoDB, and we understand the fundamentals of MongoDB now. And here with this REST API, that is Express.js and Node.js server. Node and with the help of Express JS framework. Okay, that's what we are building, right? And this is the database. We have the data here, DB, and we are going to take help from a special node package, that is Mongoose. With the help of this Mongoose, we are going to do CRUD operations on MongoDB with this REST APIs. So all this time, either this way or this way, read, update, or delete all of this. So once we complete this, the backend, once we provide these REST APIs, of course, as we are going to build a application with the Next.js, the front-end application. So we are going to send a request from the client to the server, and this server is going to save the data in the MongoDB and retrieve the data from the MongoDB, and it will send it back to the client. So, do you have any questions so far? Because hopefully, I think we have done, we have focused on only on the fundamentals. If you have any questions, just ask me. Or if you have any confusion, if you didn't understand any concept, if you want to explain one more time, like that, anything. Okay, no questions, no doubts, no confusions. One
No, sir.
second. No, it's
No,
clear.
sir.
Yeah. So what you need to do, just practice whatever we have learned so far and revise. Just recollect what we have done, REST API with the help of Node and Express.js. Practice one more time what we have done and get ready for tomorrow. So tomorrow again, we are going back to our project. Okay. Did you learn SQL, no SQL little bit? You're happy now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you want to attend interviews on this, definitely you should learn more. It's already 7:58. If you don't have any questions, just enjoy the day. I enjoy the match and get ready for India versus Pakistan match on Sunday. Okay. Thank you, team. See you again on tomorrow at the same time.